Most EV buyers think long-term ownership cost depends mainly on vehicle price, driving range, charging speed, or battery warranty. In reality, many hidden costs come from small daily driving habits that owners rarely notice. These habits gradually increase battery wear, raise charging frequency, reduce efficiency, and quietly lower resale value over time. In today's video, we break down hidden Tesla Model Y software features designed to detect and reduce these silent ownership losses, while explaining how simple driving behaviors can influence thousands of dollars in long-term value. That is exactly what JamesGear is about, breaking down EV choices in plain terms, so you can protect your money before you spend it. Why do Tesla Model Y owners quietly lose value over time? Most EV owners lose money not because their battery suddenly fails, but because they overlook gradual degradation. In the Tesla Model Y, the battery represents approximately 25 to 40% of total production cost. Battery pack estimates typically range between $12,000 and $18,000 depending on configuration, meaning battery health directly influences performance stability, driving range, and resale value throughout the vehicle's lifecycle. The Tesla Model Y battery is covered for 8 years or 120,000 miles, with a guarantee that capacity remains above 70%. Tesla provides a built-in battery health test that measures usable capacity, detects abnormal degradation, and records long-term performance history. Under normal driving conditions, most Tesla Model Y batteries lose roughly 5 to 10% capacity after 50,000 to 75,000 miles, while some outlier cases reach around 15% degradation. If capacity drops below warranty thresholds, but owners fail to monitor performance data early enough, they risk losing eligibility for warranty replacement. Battery replacement outside warranty can exceed $15,000, making consistent monitoring a critical financial safeguard. Battery health strongly influences resale value. A Tesla Model Y long range typically delivers around 330 miles of range when new, but degradation can reduce usable range by 30 to 50 miles, depending on climate and driving habits. Used EV buyers increasingly evaluate battery condition because it determines long-term reliability and replacement risk. Vehicles supported by verified battery health reports can sell for approximately $3,000 to $6,000 more than similar vehicles without documented battery data. Monitoring battery performance also helps owners adjust behaviors, such as excessive fast charging, extended high charge storage, and heat exposure, all of which accelerate lithium-ion chemical aging. Regular monitoring protects warranty eligibility and supports resale value. If understanding battery health already reveals how hidden habits can quietly cost Tesla Model Y owners thousands, make sure to subscribe to JamesGear and turn on the notification bell, because next we uncover how even small navigation choices can silently increase energy use, charging frequency, and long-term battery wear. How do Tesla Model Y driving habits increase long-term costs? Daily navigation habits represent one of the least recognized factors influencing EV efficiency. While battery chemistry and motor technology often receive attention, the way drivers locate destinations can introduce small inefficiencies that accumulate across thousands of trips. These micro-inefficiencies may seem minor during individual drives, yet long-term data shows they can noticeably influence energy consumption, charging frequency, and battery lifespan. Most traditional navigation systems rely on address databases that identify locations only at building level. In real driving environments, this often forces drivers to circle large commercial complexes, search for correct parking zones, or navigate multiple entrances before reaching their destination. Transportation efficiency studies indicate that urban drivers can unintentionally add 1 to 2 extra miles per trip while searching for final access points. For EVs, this detour can increase energy consumption by approximately 2 to 4% per trip, over several thousand annual drives. These extra miles gradually increase total battery usage and charging frequency, which may accelerate long-term battery wear. Tesla Model Y reduces this inefficiency through coordinate-based pin-drop navigation. Instead of relying only on address databases, Tesla allows drivers to navigate using precise GPS coordinates. Tesla GPS positioning typically achieves accuracy of approximately 1 to 3 meters, improving destination, targeting inside complex parking structures, multi-building campuses, and large retail centers. By guiding drivers directly to the correct parking zone or entrance, Tesla navigation can eliminate unnecessary driving loops. Real-world observations suggest avoiding repeated searching can reduce travel time by 5 to 10 minutes per destination. Over long-term ownership, this reduction lowers cumulative driving distance, reduces charging sessions, and slows battery cycle accumulation. Tesla navigation also reduces driver cognitive fatigue. Systems that rely heavily on smartphone projection platforms, such as CarPlay or Android Auto, often require repeated manual inputs, voice commands, or application switching while driving. Each additional interaction increases distraction and mental workload. Tesla integrates routing, energy prediction, and location services directly into the vehicle operating system, allowing faster route setup and fewer manual adjustments. How do Tesla Model Y controls affect driver focus? Modern EV interiors increasingly replace physical buttons with touchscreen interfaces to enable flexible software control and simplified cabin design. However, human-machine interaction, research shows touchscreen commands typically require multiple visual and manual steps. In Tesla Model Y and most EV interfaces, a single adjustment usually requires 3 to 5 taps, with each tap consuming about 1 second of visual attention. Adjusting cabin temperature often takes 3 to 4 seconds. Switching media sources requires 2 to 3 seconds, and initiating navigation can require 5 to 7 seconds depending on input complexity. Drivers commonly perform 15 to 20 touchscreen interactions per trip. If optimized controls reduce each interaction by 2 seconds, drivers recover approximately 30 to 40 seconds per trip, which accumulates to nearly 1 minute per day and 30 to 60 minutes per month. Over long-term ownership, this recovered time improves productivity and driving focus. Tesla Model Y addresses attention loss through steering wheel, scroll wheel shortcuts that allow drivers to control audio, climate, and navigation functions without relying entirely on the central touchscreen. These controls support press, 8, hold, double tap, and customizable command mapping. Driver ergonomic studies show tactile controls can reduce interaction time to roughly 0.5 to 1 second per command, while allowing drivers to maintain road awareness without visual confirmation. At highway speeds of approximately 60 miles per hour, a driver looking away from the road for 2 seconds travels about 180 feet without full visual monitoring. This distance equals more than 10 vehicle lengths and significantly increases collision risk. Reducing even a few glance events per day can substantially decrease unattended driving distance across months and years of Tesla Model Y ownership, improving both comfort and safety. Why do Tesla Model Y software features matter more than expected? Many vehicle buyers focus on performance specifications such as acceleration, horsepower, and top speed. However, long-term ownership data shows small efficiency improvements often produce greater cumulative economic and usability benefits. Tesla Model Y includes software tools that reduce daily driving friction in ways drivers may not immediately notice. A feature saving only 2 to 3 minutes per day may appear minor, but across a 5 to 8 year ownership cycle, this equals roughly 60 to 120 hours of recovered time. Small reductions in charging frequency and battery stress can also slow degradation by several percentage points. With EV battery replacement costs ranging from $12,000 to $20,000 depending on configuration. Even a 5% improvement in battery health retention can preserve thousands of dollars in vehicle value. Reduce driver distraction and improved workflow design also lower fatigue and support more consistent driving patterns, which may reduce accident risk and improve overall energy efficiency. When these incremental benefits accumulate across thousands of driving decisions, Tesla Model Y owners often gain measurable lifestyle and financial advantages that exceed the impact of raw performance upgrades. Hidden ownership costs rarely appear in headlines, but they often determine how much a vehicle truly costs over time. As we explored today, small habits involving battery monitoring, navigation behavior, and screen interaction can quietly influence efficiency, safety, and long-term value in the Tesla Model Y. Understanding these details helps owners protect both performance and financial investment. Stay tuned, because in our upcoming Tesla Model Y series, we will continue uncovering overlooked features and ownership insights you will not want to miss.